Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. If you want to become a professional HVAC technician, having the right tools is extremely important. Without proper tools, installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting become difficult and unsafe. In this video, you will learn the most important HVAC tools every technician must have. Let's get started. 1. Manifold Gauge Set. The Manifold Gauge Set is one of the most essential HVAC tools. It is used to measure refrigerant pressure, system charging, vacuum process, gas recovery. This tool helps technicians diagnose system problems accurately. 2. Vacuum Pump. A vacuum pump removes air and moisture from the refrigeration system. Moisture inside the system can damage compressors and reduce cooling efficiency. That's why vacuuming is mandatory before refrigerant charging. 3. Digital Multimeter. A digital multimeter is used to check voltage, current, resistance, continuity. It helps technicians troubleshoot electrical faults safely. 4. Refrigerant Charging Scale. This tool ensures accurate refrigerant charging. Overcharging or undercharging can reduce system performance and damage components. 5. Tube Cutter. A tube cutter is used to cut copper pipes cleanly and precisely during installation. Clean pipe cutting prevents leakage problems. 6. Flaring Tool. The flaring tool creates flare connections in copper tubing. Proper flaring ensures leak-free refrigerant connections. 7. Adjustable Wrench and Spanner Set. These tools are used for tightening and loosening nuts, bolts, and pipe connections. Every HVAC technician carries these daily. 8. Leak Detector. A refrigerant leak detector helps find gas leaks quickly. Leak detection improves system efficiency and protects the environment. 9. Thermometer or digital temperature meter, used to measure supply air temperature, return air temperature, coil temperature. Temperature measurement helps evaluate system performance. 10. Safety Tools. Safety tools are equally important. Safety gloves, goggles, insulated tools. Safety should always come first in HVAC work. Conclusion. These are the essential HVAC tools every technician must have to work professionally and efficiently. If you are a beginner, start collecting these tools step by step to build your HVAC career. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more HVAC training content.